Oh, yeah, I got the slip covers, so, yep. Yep. And here's the tape. Looks like Risky Business. That was printed on December 15th, 1998. And plus, I'll have to rewatch this film because Tom Cruise's birthday is coming up soon, so, yep. You know, happy birthday to him, to Tom Cruise, because Tom Cruise's birthday is coming tomorrow, so, yep. It'd be June 25th, I believe, so, yep. 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 And yes, we'll be going to another one, this one team, but I'll be praying what happens.
Get ready for the movie memories of a lifetime. The fun. The laughs. The adventure. The excitement. In the biggest family event in Hollywood history, the Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection, commemorating 75 years of movie magic for the entire family. Unforgettable hits like Space Jam, A Little Princess, The Amazing Panda Adventure, Black Beauty, Superman, It Takes Two, and Free Willy. So share these timeless classics with your family by starting your own Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Look for special 75th Anniversary videos at stores near you. And be sure to check specially marked packages for valuable savings. Collect the laughs. Collect the fun. Collect them all. The Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Only from Warner Home Video.
This film's a modified Fox original version. It's been formatted for your screen.